Hi, I'm Walter. I'm the team lead for the IPS Signature Development Team. It is Tuesday, February 14th, and that means it is Microsoft Patch Tuesday again. This month, Microsoft rolls out with 9 bulletins addressing 20-some CVEs. I kind of lost track after running out of fingers and toes. 4 of those bulletins are carrying a critical rating. Let's just jump right in. We'll start with the first one, MS12-008. These are the vulnerabilities in Windows kernel mode drivers. It's rated critical. MS11-087 is replaced by this update. Covers 2 CVEs, one of which is a GDI access violation. The vulnerability could allow the attacker to run in kernel mode, and the attack vectors could be from web, via email, or even local. The second CVE is a keyboard layout vulnerability, allows for an elevation of privilege. However, the attacker is going to need local login privileges. The next one, MS12-009, the vulnerabilities in the ancillary function driver. It's rated important, could allow for an elevation of privilege. MS11-080 is replaced by this update. There are 2 individual CVEs that are addressed, both of which require the attacker to have local login privileges. MS12-010, this is a cumulative security update for IE. This one's rated critical. MS11-099 is replaced by this update. There are 4 individual CVEs that are addressed. The first one, CVE 2012-0010. It's an IE copy-paste vulnerability. Could allow for information disclosure. Here, the attacker would have to convince the victim to perform a copy-paste operation. Probably unlikely that that's going to happen. CVE 2012-011, HTML layout. This is a remote code execution vulnerability. Just got to click on a malicious website. CVE 2012-0012, null byte one. Again, this is information disclosure, just to click on a website. And then CVE 2012-0155. This is the vector markup language, the VML vulnerability. Remote code execution is possible. Again, just to click on our malicious website. Definitely that's one you want to roll out patches for. All right, MS12-011, the vulnerabilities in Microsoft SharePoint. It's rated important. Allows for an elevation of privilege. There are 3 CVEs that are addressed, all of which are cross-site scripting vulnerabilities. MS12-012, the vulnerability in color control panel. It's rated important, could allow for remote code execution. This is an insecure DLL loading vulnerability. Again, the victim would visit an untrusted or a remote untrusted share, open a legitimate .icc or .icm file, and upon loading that, a malicious DLL is loaded from that same untrusted location. So, don't load color profiles from untrusted locations. Kind of a common theme a lot of times. MS12-013, the vulnerability in C runtime library. This one is rated critical, covers 1 CVE, so that's 2012-0150. This is the MSV CRT.dll buffer overflow. The attacker needs to get the victim to open a specially crafted media file. There are no identified workarounds. This is definitely one you want to patch. MS12-014, the vulnerabilities in the Indio codec. It's rated important. This is WinXP SP3 only. It is a DLL loading vulnerability. Again, here the victim just opens up a legitimate media file, kind of like just an AVI from an untrusted source, and the Indio codec would then open the specially crafted DLL from that same location. So, if you're running WinXP3 Service Pack 3, don't load AVI files from untrusted sources, or any media file from untrusted sources. MS12-015, the vulnerabilities in Microsoft Visio Viewer 2010. It's rated important, could allow for remote code execution. MS11-089 is replaced by this update. There are 5 CVEs that are addressed, all of which are file format, memory corruption vulnerabilities. Again, do not open VSD files from untrusted sources. And the last one here, MS12-016, the vulnerabilities in .NET. This is rated critical. A couple of issues in MS11-069 are replaced by issues in this update. So this could allow for remote code execution. You just need to browse to a malicious website using a web browser that can run XAML browser applications, so XBAPS, or Silverlight applications. There are 2 individual CVEs that are addressed. Each vulnerability carries its own critical weight. Definitely want to patch that one too. So real quick off the top, the ones you really want to patch, MS12-010, MS12-013, and you know what? I would add MS12-016 to that list as well. All right, that sums it up for this month, and we'll see you next time.